Hello you guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious orange honey glazed salmon. I came up with this recipe. It's really good. The salmon is marinated and perfectly broiled. It has amazing flavor. You guys will love it. Let's get started. Alright you guys, we're going to start by making the marinade for the salmon. So in my bowl I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Into that I am adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We're also adding 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and then we're going to add an orange. You're going to start by zesting in 1 whole orange. The zest is going to add a bursting citrus flavor to the salmon. Once you're done adding in the orange zest, you're going to cut it up and squeeze in the orange juice. Last, we're going to season the marinade with some salt and pepper, then mix everything together. And this marinade is really good, you guys. You can even put it on chicken and it'll be amazing. Alright, we're going to set the marinade aside once everything is mixed in. Then you're going to grab a baking pan. And I went ahead and cut up 1 whole orange. I'm going to layer it on the bottom of my baking pan. Next, I'm going to sprinkle 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary over the orange. The flavors of orange and rosemary go so well together. So this whole arrangement is going to be like a flavorful bed for your salmon to sit on. I'm going to place 2 pounds of salmon over the bed. Then I'm going to pour my marinade all over the salmon. Next, I'm going to cover the pan, then place the salmon in the fridge to marinate for exactly 1 hour. After 1 hour, when your salmon is done marinating, you're going to put your oven on the broil setting, then broil the salmon for 15 minutes. However, after your salmon has broiled for 10 minutes, you're going to take it out and baste. Basting will keep the fish nice and juicy. Once you're done basting, put them back in the broiler to finish broiling. And here they are, fresh out of the oven. They smell so good, you guys. This marinade is amazing. I went ahead and plated them. I'm going to pour the marinade in the baking pan all over them. The salmon came out very soft and tender and melt in your mouth. Delicious. We enjoyed the salmon with some basil, yellow rice, and it was really good. The marinade goes so well with the salmon. If you guys would like to make this recipe, don't forget to check out the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there.